Ethereum has been performing well so far in 2020. In August, it did make a new 2-year high right around that $445 level. August did start with a strong uptrend, but right now it seems we are in a correction with the price ranging back in that support range from the beginning of the month at around $390. But let me show you in this video the latest news and also why the overall trend still remains bullish going into September. And I will be opening up a trade to get in on some of this potential price action. So let's see what the potential outcome is for September. How's it going, everyone? It's John here with Currency.com, the #1 platform for using crypto as collateral to trade stocks, crypto, forex, commodities, and more. Ethereum will be the topic for this video and what we can expect for September. And later in the video, I will be opening up a trade. So let's get into it. And as always, hit that like and subscribe button for more videos just like this. Here's a quick view of the trader sentiment right now on Currency.com. We have right now 74% buyers and 26% sellers. Let's do a quick recap on support and resistance levels. The first level of support that I'm keeping an eye on is 380, which was roughly the monthly open for August. The next level after that is right around 330, which was the July resistance level, and also right now, right on that 50-day moving average. And if Ethereum continues the uptrend, the next resistance level I'm keeping an eye on is $420. We would need that to break if we want the price to continue to new highs for the year. $450 is the next level right after that. And a breakout above there would give us a new high for the past 2 years and potentially go test the $500 range. One thing on the downside right now, we have yet to receive an update on Ethereum 2.0. Vitalik Buterin did say that Ethereum 2.0 is showing a much harder challenge than what they anticipated. He mentioned in a debate on Peter McCormick's podcast about an open warfare between Ethereum and Bitcoin. After being asked if Ethereum is moving away from the original idea, he did admit that it is becoming more challenging, but there is lots of development happening right now to fix all the flaws. He was also asked what he thinks about people starting to refer Ethereum as money and competing it with Bitcoin. Vitalik responded saying that he definitely did not initiate the whole Ether is money idea, and neither did the Ethereum Foundation. That is something that came from the outside influence. And also this past week, Vitalik did say in a tweet at what price he did sell his Ethereum at. He said here that he sold roughly at about $700, which was halfway at the top. And then the Ethereum Foundation sold their Ethereum at about $1,200. And that majority of the money did go to developers and grants since then. And it seems that right now, a lot of the money on Ethereum is going into the DeFi boom. There are claims that the boom right now is overestimated by $2.3 billion. DeFi Pulse did deny the claim, according to data by DeFi Pulse, that the current value of US dollar locked in DeFi protocols surpassed $6 billion. Encode founder claimed that the numbers are inflated and that the real number is around $3.5 billion, which is a better estimate and the real value of the top 15 DeFi protocols. Regardless if the numbers are inflated or the value of US dollars in DeFi right now, there is plenty of room for growth. It's figured that the values will continue to grow as there is an increase in yield farming and as other forms of lending start to gain traction. So far right now, people have spent about $7 million in Ethereum gas fees right now on Uniswap. As of right now, Uniswap users have spent the most Ethereum gas fees in the past 30 days, roughly about 17,700 Ethereum, just to be able to send trades through. And with the ease of trading on Uniswap, to be able to just swap token for token, a lot of volume is coming in daily, which is causing gas prices to rise for Ethereum. And in the past month, Ethereum did reach a new 2-year high at about $445. And right now, open interest is suggesting that the rally will continue after this current correction. Year to date, Ethereum is up about 235%. It's not showing much signs of slowing down, regardless of the correction we currently have. So it makes you think, is this just short term right now before the rally to new highs? The correction we've had for Ethereum this past week has been quite bullish, actually. It did kind of reset the trend and brought the RSI and MACD out of those overbought ranges. And right now it looks like Ethereum is getting more fuel to continue the trend upwards. The price corrected its way down to the 21-day moving average. Right now it does seem it is consolidating for the right shoulder of a potential head and shoulder pattern. And as you can see, since the March lows, the 21-day moving average has been a good buy the dip range this year for Ethereum. And if momentum continues to go upwards for Ethereum, then we can expect that to continue happening. And looking back here, the price is still above that 200-day moving average since the crossover in April. And this has been the biggest run so far after a 200-day moving average crossover since all-time high. The most recent was roughly 60% here. And the one before that was roughly 140%, right up to about $375. And right now, even if we have a correction down to the 50-day moving average, I can see the current trend continuing for an extended period of time due to the state of the dollar. And if the DeFi boom continues, as long as Bitcoin and gold and silver continues to reach new highs, then Ethereum will continue to follow. Ethereum did break out of the long-term downtrend since all-time high, and we will need to see how the price reacts to the next levels on the upside, such as 500, 700, and 900. As long as the price stays above that 200-day moving average, I will continue to be bullish on Ethereum for the rest of 2020 and expect the year to bring us to new highs, or even the price will test the $500 to $600 range sometime this year. I will be putting my bullish price target at about 530 right now for Ethereum, since that is roughly where the price did consolidate after all-time high. And right now it does serve as a psychological support resistance level. And if crypto does make a reversal and Ethereum does not make it up to test that $500 range, then my bearish price target is going to be right around this range at about $220. Let's open a trade here for Ethereum, just like we did in the Bitcoin video. Then I'll follow up on it in the next Ethereum video in September. We will do about 5% of the account with 5 times leverage. So the amount to buy, I'll do 105, which comes to about 0.70 BTC as margin, 5 times leverage. My stop loss and take profit, I'm going to leave that for now. But my anticipated risk is if we have a daily close below the 360 level, I will close the trade. But if we do test that range without a daily close, maybe I will add to the position if the price comes down a little bit more. But as for my take profit, I will scale that as we reach newer highs. So let's go ahead and open the trade right now. There you go. Trade is now open. We will see where the price is in September. Let me know in the comments where you think it'll be at. And I'll see you guys next time. It's John from Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.